Hi there, it's Janice Thomson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. And today I am filming another of my 100 cards series. It's just a little idea for you. So I have this Nutcracker tags kit, which is fabulous as Christmas tags. So you get enough in the box to make 12 fun tags, and I'll show you here. I've got all the bits to make one of the tags, but I think it would be nice to attach this tag to a card and make it part of a card, or you could give it to someone so that they could use the tag, or they could use it to hang on their Christmas tree. So I'm just playing really, but it shows. So I have a piece of the designer series paper from Christmas Tags and More. It's in the mini catalogue on page 15. You'll be able to see here there's loads of ideas, and there's actually 2 sheets. You've got 4 different double-sided 6x6s, and then you've got 2 each of sheets with pre-cut designs on them, so Christmas designs. So you could have good fun. It gives you some ideas here about making tags with them. So lots of fun ideas there. But I had this on my desk and I had the Nutcracker, and I don't know, the idea just came to put the 2 together. So firstly, I will show you how to make up one of the tags from this set. So when you've got, it all comes in bits. It's fab. So we've got some black twine, we've got some sort of metallic glittery sentiments. There we've got a little bit of holly here to go with this one. A moustache for, it's a soldier, isn't it? It's a toy soldier holding a wreath. But we have a moustache that we can put on 3D. And we've got his crown with the gold foiling, glittery foiling on as well. So we can jazz it up really. And then we have this tag. So the idea is these have already got holes in that that goes together as a tag, and you would write on that bit probably. But I don't know, I just feel that I might make it up into a card. So those 2 bits will be held together with string. I don't want to glue them. We just want to add these bits, and I should have some little dimensionals in here to be used up. So I was just tidying up, and then this idea kind of came to me. So there's no rocket science here. It is very simple but very satisfying, and yeah, the result is lovely. So I'm just trying to make sure that one of these, yeah, you just have to be careful where I might have just put that a bit too high up. Right, let's try and, so it's one of the mini dimensionals. I should be able to get 2 of them on there, just on the fat bit of his moustache. Whoops. I think this is the smallest piece here anyway, so that's okay. Right, so we'll just take the backs off that. There's no stamping in this project. You can if you want to, but there's no. So we'll see if we can place his moustache. I must ask you a question. Are you ready for Christmas? So he could be used as a tag or an ornament on the Christmas tree, or sometimes I hang up ornaments on my furniture and around the house. So yeah, you could use it as a decoration. I don't know why I've put so many dimensionals on that, but hey, I have, so we'll just use them. So sitting and making up the 12 tags, which will then be very useful for Christmas, would be very relaxing to do. Just placing the bits and pieces where you want them. And I was just trying to think about, I've got this. And the holly. I wonder if I'll wait until I've got this onto the card base before I decide. Now, let's just make up the card base then. So I have a normal, this is, I wanted to say granny apple green, it's not. It's garden green. My brain just went quiet there. It went on Friday night. This is Friday evening. Hopefully this will go out before Friday's over. I was supposed to be just tidying up, and then I thought, I've not done 100 cards today, and these things were all needing sorted out, so there we go. So this is dead simple. That's inside, and this is outside. You could choose that background. I mean, he would look equally fine on there. I just quite like, oh, caught my fingernail. I quite like the plaid. Whoops, that's too much glue. So if that happens to you, you can scrape that glue back off and use it for something else. But do remember that you have got a spreader end at this end. So I'm taking that extra off because we do, and there's not much here, so I can put it over there. And there is a hole there, the glue can come out that end too. I think a lot of us forget to use that. So we'll just pop this lovely plaid pattern. I really like this. But then I'm Scottish, so it's reminding me of tartan. But we all like plaids and tartans at Christmas time, don't we? So I also have, this is a trio of punches now. I'm trying to think if they're online exclusive or if they're in, I've got a funny feeling they are in this mini catalogue. Let's see. Tool would be tools, wouldn't it? No, they're not. So they must be online exclusives then. Well, anyway, there's a trio of punches, of which I've only got one here at the moment. This one, they're for tags. I thought they were. Oh, they're not. Oh well. I'm going to pop this about the middle here. Do we put it quite? I'm going to put it on that green line. I don't know why, but it just works for me. And just make a hole in my card. Now, I've not worked out how I'm doing this, but I think I'm going to thread this through from the inside. Am I? Maybe not. I can only try. I was just trying to think how will it lie flat nicely and be obvious to the person receiving it that they can take it off if they want. Maybe you'll think of a better way. I don't know. I might just put, I'm doing that over, but I think I'll just put one thread through the hole there, and then just tie a knot, a wee bow, will we? If we tighten a little bow, then it would be easier for the recipient to take it off if they want to use it. Oofed, it's not happening, is it? That's too small. It's too... Right, so if I... So if I put them both through... Should I have thought this out before I came on the video? Probably. You'll be able to tie a bow easier than me if you've not got sausage fingers like I have. I think I've done it. There you go. Come on. There we go. And now the person can take that off should they wish to. Now though, what I want to do is just pull that apart slightly, and I want that to go, but keeping the tag a bit like that, a wee jaunty angle. So where are my dimensionals? So if you stay like that, please. I think I'll just, there's bits of edging here that need use. Let's just cut down the time here. Now the tags kit does come with a sheet of these and all the bits that you might need. You have to hope that I've not put the dimensionals too far to the side. No, that does kind of, if I put it there in his hand, there we go, it's on both pieces, so that stops that there in its tracks. And then I think we'll just add that wee bit of holly on there, because it's there and we might as well decorate with it. One more little dimensional on the berries. I think I'll actually move that up there, shall we? No, we won't. We'll pop it here. There we are. So there you go. We've got a tag that can be removed. It is a lovely wee card, isn't it? Then you can decorate however you like inside. Could even take a strip of the paper. I'll just cut a little piece here with my mini guillotine. I'm not measuring that with anything other than my eyes. And we'll just glue that inside. And that just ties them together. And puts glue on my finger. Very good. There we go. Just a wee finishing touch. So there you go. Another card in the 100 card series. Don't forget to order yourself one of these kits. Get your tags ready for Christmas. And in November, anyone who buys a any of our kits, a workshop kit, or one like tags, cards, kits, or any of the kits, there is going to be a small gift sent out to everyone who buys a kit from me. Okay, so I'll tell you more about that when November comes tomorrow. Thanks so much. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.